birthday, Gov. On behalf of the men and women of DGTHMC, we wish you all the best. May this special day be filled with joy and laughter with your family and friends as you celebrate it today. Your steadfast commitment and unwavering support to our medical center means so much to us. And your leadership and your grace continue to inspire us as we continue to strive for excellence, and also for the compassion that you have shown to the people. We also want that to be reflected in the medical center. May God continue to grant you the wisdom and the strength to lead the province. Again, Gov, happy birthday, and God bless you. Thank you.
Warmest birthday greetings to our beloved Governor, Lucian K. Hofer.
On this special day, the DGTHMC family extends our heartfelt wishes for your good health, happiness, strength, and continued success in your noble service to the people of Zamboanga, Sibugay.
May your